Hey YouTube, PJ Tech here, and today I have a treat. I know it's been a while since I've posted, and a lot has happened to me personally, a lot of personal things, um, and all very positive things, and not necessarily negative, but just a lot of change has happened. As you can see, I'm in a new environment, new chair behind me, new mic, and so new camera. The other camera was so blurry. So bear with me as I create these videos. Just bear with me that the content is still up to par, that the content is high quality. Bear with me with any issues, with any glitches that you see during these videos. Just bear with me through that. But today, I wanted to bring you something that could help you. So if you're in college, I know college season has recently just started. Fall 2022 season. We have, trust me, I know the assignments, projects, groups and clubs and jobs and working and internships. I know how it all feels, and grades for office hours. Like it is ringing true. It's bringing back memories because I recently graduated this early 2022 in spring 2022. So trust me, I know all your feelings, and I want to give you something that can help your situation. So we'll dive in. We won't waste any more time. Again, bear with me with the technical glitches that you might see. Perfect. So bear with me. Again, I know you might see weird cuts during this, but here is the template. So let's start from the beginning. So why did I want to create this? I wanted to create this for college students. I know a lot of times it can be difficult keeping track of every little assignment and things like that. So here, as you can see, is a one-stop shop for everything you need for college. I wanted to create this. I use this, so this isn't just something that I created. It's something that I used, and I got A's and maybe 2 B's. Again, I'm not, saying that this is going to guarantee you A's and B's. I'm not saying that, but at least it helped me throughout my journey, and I'm just sharing it in case it can help you. So I have some directions here in case you forget anything that I say now. But the first section you'll see is a paragraph. So here is for you to, really just write anything about your school that you want to remember. I know sometimes you didn't pick the exact school that you wanted, but even if you went to, it doesn't matter where you go to school. They have values and things that they want you to teach you about life, to help you to help you just enter your adulthood in a better way. That's what it's supposed to do. Teach you how to learn, give you values and principles, that should shape you into being the person that you want to be. So here's where you could write that. All those things about what this school is doing for you. That's where you can write that in this section here. Then we have the section, why are you in school? So here what you're going to see is 2 to 3 bullet points why you specifically are in school. I don't want you to put anything about why your friend is in school, why your mom wants you to be in school, why your dad wants you to be in school. I want you to put, why do you want to be in school? Once you have that, here you can put any news and updates, so school website, Twitter feed, or other important information. Just anything that's going to guide you closer. Anything that you want to remember and guide you closer to events that come up. I want to put that there. Then we have these 2 links. So we have registration and graduation. So if we enter the registration link, we have kind of a view of all the classes that you want to take. So here we have the degree program, important dates that we want to remember, important links, the steps to register for classes, the classes to take. So here we can see, English 1. This is the status of the class, the semester, instructor, the subject, and just everything here for you to graduate. Then if I come back out of that and go to graduation, then we can see the checklist to graduate, email updates, forms and PDFs, just anything you need for graduation, that'll be here. Now, here's where we utilize databases. This is something in Notion that is different from other notes programs on how they utilize databases to kind of drill down information. Or kind of, if you're familiar with Excel, it's similar to Excel or just any spreadsheet type of data. That's kind of what this shows here. And so here you'll have a semester, and in this semester, if I open up full page, you have the list of classes within the semester. So at the school that I went to, each class was tied to a semester. So you might have to reorder again, completely edit this. Once you copy the template over to your workspace in Notion, you can completely edit it and overhaul it all the way. I just wanted to give you the template here that you can use. So once you have that, you now have classes and assignments. So if I click on class 1, we can see that it has we can tag the class as well, the importance of the work. So each class also has an assignment or homework during the semester. Each semester has assignments in that semester, and so these classes all contribute to this semester's assignments. I'll say that again. These classes contribute to this semester's assignments database. So you'll see a calendar of all the assignments that you have populated here when you fill in the assignments in this class. And then if I step back out, you also have extracurricular activities as well. So org 1, again, each org also has, I don't think that they show it here, but I also created templates, and so I don't think that they show it on just the template view, but you don't have to create this all yourself, right? There's a semester template where to create a new page, you can simply type in new semester and it'll populate everything for you, kind of give you that base template that I had for semester 1. It'll give you that for new semesters. And I also have a notes template, I believe, or a class template that allows you to implement the assignments. I cannot speak, but once that's done, so this is where you put all the semesters and the extracurricular activities. So once these are taken care of, then you have the history of your school. So again, just understanding the history, where you are, and who are you following? What did your school go through to put you in this position, and what you plan to do, after you graduate. And then just a general remember, enter photos, videos, or anything to remember the moments of your college experience. So again, the link for this is going to be in the description below. So feel free to use it. Feel free to edit it once you copy it over. And I actually I'll save that. I will save that. A thought just occurred to me that I'm going to save for a different video. But again, this is just if you're a college student or if you need organization, you can kind of port this over in different ways. It's not overly complex. It doesn't have bells and whistles and everything. But again, this simplicity is what allowed me to kind of master through, and just having it, all my assignments in one place, just seeing that, like, it just gave me that confidence that I needed, over the course of my 2 years, my junior, senior years, that allowed me to do well. And so again, it's something simple. Now, before we end the video, I did want to talk about just the plans that I have for this channel. So I feel like I'm giving a speech or something. So I have a lot of thoughts. I read a lot. I read a ton. I read a lot of different books. I consciously or consistently write things down. I use a notes program. Like I said, as you can see, I use Notion. I found another one that I'm going to do a video about that I really like. But it's important to me that I document what I'm learning. I think it can be very easy to take to safeguard the knowledge that I gained. And not saying that I have all the knowledge at all, because I don't. I do not. But it's I think it's important for me to at least share it, like in any medium. You know, I really enjoy teaching others. I really enjoy learning things as well. I love learning and just being educated by others as well. So if I can help, if I've gained just a little bit of knowledge that I can give to share to you, share on this platform, or anything like that, that's what I would like to do. I like to discuss different topics. I would like to explain things in different analogies. You know, my wife, she said earlier that I had a really good skill of explaining things with analogies, explaining complex topics with analogies, and that's something that I want to carry forward, or I want to share with others. And so that's kind of the direction that I want to take the channel. It's going to be more tech related, explaining because engineering, software engineering, that's something that's a passion of mine in particular. But I do think, some lifestyle, some conversations about different topics, but most particularly tech. I think tech is we're in a place with tech that's extremely exciting and also scary, depending on how we use it. And that's a whole different conversation. But the biggest thing that I wanted to say is that I am back. I am here, ready to do videos and just share knowledge. I think that it's important to just teach and share the knowledge that you gained.